Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we bring you the finest in top-rated products and must-haves from Amazon. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we dive into a countdown of the best-selling home security decals and signs. If you're looking to enhance the security of your home and want to know which products are flying off the virtual shelves, you're in the right place. In just a moment, we'll unveil the top contenders in this category, highlighting their features and what makes them stand out. Without further ado, let's get started. At number 5 on our list, we have a standout in home security signage, the Ring Security Yard sign. Imagine this, you're heading out for the day, and you want to make it clear that your home is safeguarded by the trusted name of Ring. This yard sign does exactly that, powerfully and simply. Its reflective design ensures that even in the dimmest light, your security presence is unmistakable. Installation, a breeze. Just stick it into the soft ground right in front of your home, and voila, you're set. The sign, with its dimensions of 11.81 by 8.66 inches, is compact yet impactful. Plus, it comes with its own post, making setup as easy as it gets. Packed neatly into a box measuring 12.6 by 9.06 inches, it's ready to be put to work protecting what matters most. So why wait? Let the Ring Security Yard sign fortify your home's defense and signal to the neighborhood that your property is under vigilant protection. At number 4, we introduce a sleek yet powerful addition to your home security arsenal, the Ring Window Security Stickers. Picture this, a discreet yet assertive statement that tells everyone, intruders and visitors alike, that your home is under the vigilant watch of Ring. These weatherproof vinyl stickers aren't just for show, they're your first line of defense, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. With a set that includes 2 small stickers, each measuring 3.5 by 3.5 inches, and 2 large stickers at 4 by 4 inches, you've got versatility at your fingertips. Affix them to doors, windows, or any visible surface to broadcast your security presence with style and clarity. Designed to endure the elements and stay vibrant through the seasons, these stickers combine durability with effective deterrence. Simple to apply, they make securing your home as easy as it is essential. So equip your space with the Ring Window Security Stickers and let the world know your protection is not just an option, it's a priority. Coming in at number 3 is a bundle that delivers both style and security, the Blink Yard sign with Two Window Decals Bundle. Imagine this, a powerful blend of visibility and reassurance right at your doorstep. This bundle is designed to showcase your home's protection by Blink, a name synonymous with cutting-edge security. The yard sign stands proudly as a beacon of safety, while the 2 window decals complete the picture, making your home a fortress of security from every angle. With its bold design, the yard sign is not just a deterrent, but a statement. Its eye-catching presence ensures that anyone passing by knows your property is shielded by Blink's advanced technology. Meanwhile, the 2 window decals provide additional layers of visibility, enhancing your security strategy and reinforcing the message. Whether you're looking to add an extra layer of protection or simply want to declare your commitment to security, this bundle delivers on all fronts. So elevate your home security and let the Blink Yard sign with 2 window decals bundle make it clear. Your safety is uncompromising and your home is well protected. Are you loving the countdown of the best-selling home security decals and signs on Amazon? If so, don't leave your support out in the cold. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you stay on guard with all our latest updates. At number 2, we spotlight a set that speaks volumes about your commitment to security, the Protected by Blink Video Security Window Decals, pack of 3. Imagine this, a trio of high-quality decals that don't just blend into the background, but boldly declare that your home is safeguarded by Blink's advanced video security. These aren't just stickers, they're a powerful deterrent, meticulously designed to reduce the likelihood of criminal activity by making your security measures impossible to ignore. Each decal is crafted to stand out, whether displayed on doorways, garage doors, or any ground floor windows. Their strategic design ensures they're highly visible from street level, sending a clear and confident message to anyone passing by. With this pack of 3, you have the flexibility to place them where they'll have the greatest impact, reinforcing your home's security with every glance. So, take a proactive step in protecting your home. With the Protected by Blink Video Security Window Decals, you're not just adding a layer of deterrence. You're making a statement that your home is a secure fortress, watched over by the vigilance of Blink's cutting-edge technology. Taking the top spot in our countdown is a product that combines innovation with unparalleled effectiveness, the Ring Solar Security Sign. Picture this, a security sign that not only warns intruders, but also stands as a beacon of modern technology. The Ring Solar Security Sign does exactly that, harnessing the power of the sun to keep your home secure around the clock. During the day, it charges effortlessly, soaking up direct sunlight. By night, it lights up with a clear, confident glow, signaling to would-be intruders that your home is under vigilant protection. Its weather-resistant design ensures it stands strong through any elements, maintaining its integrity and functionality no matter the weather. Installation? It's quick and easy, designed for simplicity without sacrificing effectiveness. With dimensions of 12 inches in height, 9.21 inches in width, and 1.67 inches in depth, the Solar Security Sign is complemented by a top and middle tube, measuring 9.88 inches by 1.18 inches in diameter, and a bottom stake that is 7.26 inches high with a diameter of 0.98 inches. This sign isn't just about deterrence, it's about smart, sustainable security. So, illuminate your home's protection with the Ring Solar Security Sign, and let the world know that your security is as bright and reliable as the sun itself.
We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling home security decals and signs on Amazon. To keep up with all the top sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the top products we talked about today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.